Welcome back everybody. How we doing? How are we doing today? Had a very impressive uptrend in the overnight session after the CPI news came out. So let's see if we can get a nice long entry, if we can go back above the EMA. How we doing, Bill? Good to hear it. Rev, what's up, my man? What's up? I don't know if I would have even been filled with a limit order. How y'all doing? Good morning. Ooh, thanks for the support, Mr. Nerijos. Damn, you're a beast. Actually, the fact that I didn't take trades on stream the last 2 days shows my confidence very high. So I'm extra patient. But to each their own. Have a good one. Hope you enjoy sending that negative energy into the world, though. Hope it doesn't deter your own trading. So wishing you the best. But I mean, on stream, I didn't take any trades. I did take a couple trades off stream. I took a lower high. Where was that? Oh, I took this lower high right here. But that was the only trade yesterday. But that was about a little over 2 hours into the market. It's all love, Nerijos. I mean, you can hate if you want, but man, I just hope that negative energy doesn't come back to bite you, because I mean, I don't get people that even say a comment like that. Like, why even bring that to yourself? Like, hope it doesn't come back to bite you, but it might. Yeah, so I'm just praying for you that you come back from that negativity, because that's definitely gonna affect you. It's just how the world works. So that's why I just try to stay positive, but try to send a good message. So I suggest you start doing the same, my man. So we're getting a second entry long potentially, but we're still hovering. We're not quite touching the EMA. Doji looking bar. But yeah, Rev, it's not about how hard you fall, it's about how much you can still come back. I mean, every single trader goes through ups and downs. I mean, I'm this close to blowing these next 10 accounts, but hey, I'm still gonna come back. There's a chance I blow these accounts today. I'm telling you, there's not much room in them. Just from 2 or 3 bad trading days, that can happen with that trailing threshold. But I mean, I'm the one live streaming here. I'm the one that has the balls to do it. I literally just do this for entertainment and just so I have some interaction while I'm trading, so I'm not trading solo. But yeah, it's been all support. Well, you got an interesting way of motivating, Nerijus. So just I'm telling you from my experiences. I won't go into everything that I've gone through in my life, but just trust me, It's better to send positive energy than negative energy in the world. That's all I'll say. Just believe me on that. I know I'm only 23, but I've been through a lot, so just believe me when I say good things happen to good people, and the opposite can be said about bad people. So just from now on, I do suggest everyone out there just only think positive thoughts, put positive thoughts into those into the world. Speak positive things, even if it's about yourself. Like, don't even say anything negative about yourself ever. There's no point in ever doing that. I don't get why people would ever even I mean, I do. People struggle with things, but as soon as you like put something out there and you make it concrete, your brain recognizes your feelings, your thoughts, your emotions, your words, your interactions with people, and it affects your whole reality. So if you want to have a great reality, if you want to have a great life, just you gotta control everything that you can control. So, well, now you're switching up. Now you're switching up, Nerjus. It's all good positive vibes now. I appreciate that, but you should also take accountability for the negative energy that you put, because now it's positive, but look back to what you said initially. So doesn't have a favorite for game 5, Aaron. Nah, I think the Warriors are favorite by like 7 points. The Warriors are favored by like 7 points. Appreciate it, Bill. Appreciate it. Yeah, Benji, extra patience. I mean, the last 2 trading days have been awful in terms of the volume, and we've just been waiting for this news to come out. So now today we'll probably have a much better day. All right, Nerjus. Yeah, okay, I like that. I respect that. You're all right. All love. Obviously, all love. But just believe me, like I've seen people go downhill a lot, and everything I say is from a place of love and just like positivity. So anytime I see any negativity, like I don't even want that to be part of my reality. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna stop this right now. So like I don't even want to think about that. The odds are negative for both. Nah, I don't know what you're looking at, Aaron. Golden State is minus 7.5 points. Golden State's favorite like 7.5 points tonight. All right, so what are we doing right now? Working down. Okay, man, we're going down a lot. Who knows? We might just be in a range. What's up, Scarface? Good to see you in here. So basically what happened, we had new high. We went up once, first entry long, second entry long, but this second entry long was below the EMA. So all the people who went long here got trapped. Now we're just reversing. So if you did go long there, it would have been good for a scalp, but a lot of Jeez, quick movement right now. Oh, you're colorblind. Well, I mean, what color are your bars on a chart that you look at? Freaking Klay Thompson. Let's go, Klay Thompson, though. Yeah, Nerijus. Zilinskas. Come on, Klay Thompson. He's gonna go off tonight. He's gonna go off tonight. Cause watch. What we did right now, we're sending that energy to Klay Thompson tonight. So he's gonna drain. He's gonna drain 10 threes tonight. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. I got the Klay Thompson haircut a little bit yesterday. Blue and red. Okay, blue and red. So, I mean, you can tell my chart is green and red though, right? Or you can see red versus a not. What does the green look like to you? Like a yellow or something? Yeah. No, people tell me all the time that I kind of look like Klay Thompson. I mean, not all the time, but like, yeah, many times people have said that. Man, are we really gonna be headed all the way to the lows today? All the way back down to the lows? Who knows? Are we headed to the lows? We'll see. But yeah, I am in grave danger of blowing these next 10 PAs. I definitely don't want to, but I mean, we'll see what happens. We'll see. You bought the dip, Aaron? Where'd you buy? Did you catch this move up? Oh, you bought it 45.50. Where'd you exit? Oh, you only got, okay, so you got 5 ticks. I thought you were saying like you got 20 points. YOLO scalp. I mean, if you're gonna YOLO, you might as well YOLO. Yeah, I have a Discord. It's $1,000 a month though. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. No, I don't have any Discord. No Discord. Chill, chill. All right, let's create one. Let's create one. I mean, what would you guys want? Would you guys want a Discord? How does Discord help? Just like being able to have a little community of people to talk to, bounce trades back and forth. I mean, I have no idea what a good price would be to charge for a Discord. So, I mean, well, I've made a lot of money from trading to pay the bills, but also I sell cars on the week. I just started selling cars a couple months ago. But I sell cars on the weekends. But also I'm sponsored for running wise by this Lebanese club, so I have a stipend on top of that. And I'm making like 10 grand a month on YouTube as well. Aaron, this was a decent second entry short. It was just away from the EMA, and I mean, we had this uptrend in play. So what I was waiting for was a break, test at the EMA, and hoping for this same setup at the EMA. I'm joking. I don't make 10K per month on YouTube. I make $0 a month on YouTube. You can only make money on YouTube once you get 1,000 subs. I mean, also, if I would charge for Discord, I mean, people who charge for Discord, what value are they offering for actually charging a Discord? Like, they just tell you what trades, like a Discord as in like, oh, like buy here, sell here. I'm not gonna do that. I mean, maybe I'll like in afternoon sessions I'll say like what I'm looking for. Is that like what people want? Discord stream exclusive. I mean, I already stream on YouTube. But I mean, I'll deal with that down the line. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I wouldn't do alerts. I would do it for the community, exactly. Yeah, community. That's what I like. And then also just like, I don't know, like right now, if this was in an afternoon session, I would say, okay, waiting for a test at the EMA, like don't want to get sucked into going short away from the EMA, looking for a two-legged pullback with a nice signal bar at the EMA, but a potential target might be the lows of the day. I'm in Northern California, right near San Francisco. Right near San Francisco. You're in Thomas Wade's Discord, but no voice. What does Thomas Wade do? Does Thomas Wade have a live stream? And these 10 PAs, not much. Okay, not much. Few hundred. Miami Beach, man. We had several people from Florida yesterday. Florida's not bad. Maybe I'll move out to Florida. East Coast, don't gotta wake up early. I mean, even if I was on the East Coast, I would wake up early because I like waking up early when the sun gets up. But like, then I could do a workout in the morning and then not have to trade first thing in the day. I don't like trading first thing in the day. Oh, he just posts charts. Got it. Do you have to pay for Thomas Wade's Discord? Alright, let's go Miami. I'm down for Miami. I was there a few years ago. Nasty southern Florida climate. Alright, what are we gonna do after this sideways junk? $35 a month, and when you discuss possible setups, no voice. Okay, yeah, like that. Yeah, possible setups, that's what I like, but like signals telling people where to buy and sell, nah, that's like BS, I think. But I like that, like a community where people can just chat and talk about ideas and possible setups and charts. On Apex, now you can flip Myco contracts 2 days out of 10. All right, so let's look. Let's look at a blank chart. So on a blank chart, we clearly have this leg down, break, new low, right? Like if we draw a wider term trend, it really doesn't look that valid. So we're getting a higher low here. Potential long, but it just, all right, went without us. No chance to really enter with a limit, but oh, my mic is cutting out. My mic. Shit, we gotta fix that. Let me see what's going on with the mic. Now this was a nice long setup. This was a nice higher low here. I just didn't like the fact that it was such a big stem. Cause I've been burned when there's only like one tick between the open and the close of the bar. I mean this is a little different because it closed right at the high, but I wouldn't have been filled with a limit order. Expand the Moo line. Moo runs, Moo eats, Moo dates. You're right, you're right. I need to hire someone to film everything I do in a day though. I don't got time to film and edit and do all these things. Moo vlogs. You're long, you're long. Man, so this, if you took this higher low, that was an excellent trade. Now it's turned out to be an excellent trade. Could have went long at 44. Sheesh. You'd be like 13, 14 point runner. Alright, you can film me? How old are you, Mr. Zilinkas? Zilinskas. Or Zilinskas. 29. All right, can we get a test at the EMA, or is this gonna go up without us? Damn. The good thing about today is that we're having some nice volume, nice movement. But if you miss one move, like if you miss this, now we have to wait a while. All right, I'm gonna go get a drink. I'm gonna be back in literally like 30 seconds. Let's go, Clay. Let's go, Clay. There ain't no fear here. Believe me, man. My issue has never been being scared to take a trade. My issue has been taking too many trades. I'm the opposite. I'm the opposite of that. But yeah, like I only enter with limit orders. So I mean, here some traders are gonna take this short, lower high, but I'm not looking to go short right now. I'm looking to enter in this in a long. I'm just staying patient. Good morning from Alberta. Hell yeah, hell yeah. I should have at least tried to enter on this higher low, for sure. But it's early, it's early. 40-80 target. 40-80. If we look at the daily, depending on if we go up or down, I mean, we might make it all the way up to 4,200 too. We'll see. We shall see. All right, what are we gonna get here? Later 42.60. You're saying we're going all the way to 42.60? Sheesh. Or at least a target, yeah. I mean, we'll see. Anything could happen in this market. All you need is one crazy day to prove, to shatter what you thought was possible. All right, we're going down a little. Going down a little. I want to see a test at the EMA. All right, here's that test at the EMA. Man, what was that? Second entry long. Not yet, not yet, not yet. But yeah, that's why I don't use market orders, because see what just happened there? That happened to me last week, and I lost like 4 points out of nothing, out of thin air, just because we had such a strong move. We're really just stacked right here. Second entry long, but we're just sideways. Potential target 70. Yeah, obviously. Right around the highs where we were bouncing. So I want to get in with a higher low if we're gonna go higher. Let's see a higher low. All right, could be that higher low we're looking for. But if you took the initial second entry long, it is stalling right now. But it did make the scalp. Okay, now we're going higher. Maybe failed second entry short. Maybe. I hope so. If we can get another test at the EMA. Can we get that though? Is the real question. That just doesn't set up correctly for you. Yeah, not a perfect setup. It just looks a little sideways. I mean, I'm definitely targeting the highs. I'm definitely targeting the highs of the day, but I just want to see more confirmation we're actually gonna go higher, which could come in the form of a failed second entry short. But my emotions are out of this. Zero emotions, just only sticking to my rules. Okay. All right. What do we have here? It's a second entry short, but this low is lower than the low that the doji bar made. And yeah, we got another doji below the EMA. I think we're definitely headed higher. It's just, I don't know if it's going to be immediate. Oh, you're going short at 54.25. If we make it down there. Let's see. Just some profit taking right now, probably. But see, if you had bought down here, you could have rode a runner all the way up, just trailed it at these swing lows. You could have been out for like a 13-point runner. All right, so you're short. You're short, Mr. Aaron. So we're getting a second entry long. But once again, we're just sideways. You're in it. All right. It's a lot of sideways bars. So here's if we go down, it'll be a failed second entry long. I mean, we'll see. We'll see who gets trapped. Yeah. It's hard to tell though what's going on. Hard to tell what's going on in this sideways. If we get a higher low, I'm a look to go long, but seems like we're just pushing lower. Just wait. So the only thing I really considered was the failed second entry long. But I mean, that happened so fast as well. But this was a nice new high here. First entry long, second entry long failure. Third touch like that. But we were sideways. Have you ever taken a trade live? I haven't seen any so far since I've subscribed. I mean, when have you subscribed? The last 2 days I haven't taken any, but that was rare. That was very rare. But yeah, I've taken plenty of trades live. Of course. Of course. Just go back to any video. Any other video. I mean, when did you subscribe? Just a couple of videos ago? Or a couple days ago? Bookmap gave you 4 points on the runner. The Bookmap. What were you seeing on Bookmap? Maybe I'll pull up Bookmap. Mr. Salvatore. All right, we're gonna get it. We're gonna get a nice short here for you, Salvatore. Watch. I'm gonna take a short soon. All right, so Bookmap saying we're gonna. I mean, how did it say to go short at 54.25? What did you see on Bookmap? Bookmap's all about YOLOs. I mean, Bookmap is saying I'm pulling up the Bookmap right now. So let's see. Bookmap is saying so with this red line, that's saying we should target 41.38, right? But obviously, like, if you just look at the I mean, this downtrend, we just had a break, so you should expect a new low of that as well. There was a red line at 50.50. All right, but now we got a couple conflicting patterns. So we got this leg up, also got this strong leg down. So I'm leaning short. But I want to see a second entry. Yeah, give us a second entry short, cheese. Come on now. We've been patient. We've been patient. Can we get it? Attempt to touch the EMA. Attempt. I did the lifetime fee for the PAs. Lifetime. All right, what are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? We're gonna get a nice second entry short, that's what. Yeah, exactly. Well, once you pass the evaluation accounts, you can either pay a monthly fee or a lifetime fee. So for the 50,000 accounts, I think it's like $80 for the monthly fee, or you can just pay like $150 per account, and then that's all you have to pay for your lifetime. But then obviously if you blow the accounts, you got to start all over again with the evaluations again. All right, one more push, one more test of the EMA, then we'll take this short. Here we go. I kind of want to see a test at 48.50 though. The high of this move up. We get that, and we should be chilling. Okay, so we got this leg up, break new high. Let's get a second entry short. Oh man, what kind of bar is that? What kind of bar is that? Some frick all that. Come on now. Sus bar for sure. What a joke. What do you use to trade, Cheese? You trade with your own money? Alright, so we might get that second entry short here, but the signal bar, I mean, there's no great signal bar. Let's look at the blank chart. Because after a strong move down like this, you expect to test at that low again. One micro contract. Oh fuck. Oh man, now my freaking connection is lagging. No freaking way, bro. Alright, I'm gonna take this second entry short. What the fuck? Alright, we're in the trade, but my ninja is lagging. What's going on? a leg up, break, new high, one leg up, first entry short, second entry short. Might be a failure though. So we'll see, we'll see. Right now you can't rewind bookmap, but at the end of the stream you can. Okay, okay. Alright, can we go lower? Can we push lower here? I think we can. I hope we can. This will end up being a 2-point scalp just because, I don't know, my ninja was lagging, so okay, there we go, there we go. Alright, so let's see what happens. We got some crazy stuff happening right now. Can we keep going lower? Can we get a runner? Can we get a runner for the stream? Alright, we got a lower high here. Maybe. Maybe a lower high. Maybe not. Will we push lower? We're one tick away from being stopped out. If we tick above that bullish bar, we'll be stopped out. Alright, alright. You took that as well, Albin. Nice. For sure. For sure. No runner. Maybe could have taken out. So actually, I got a little lucky because I entered the trade. I saved a few ticks on the trade. So maybe should have taken out the runner for a few points that it gave me, but it is what it is. 2 points on the scalp portion, which is good. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this market. Jeez. We got some bars printing immediately a lot of the time. Just like instantaneously, I mean. That would have been a nice lower high if we had formed one. Could have been 2 trades in one. Let's go Warriors. Let's go Warriors. Let's go, baby. Now we're purely sideways though. So I might play this as a range. If we get a breakout of the top, I'm gonna look to go short. Tell me about it, Rev. Off stream the last 2 days, I took a couple trades. 2 days ago, I just entered a trade, but then was break even. But I had a nice trade yesterday. I'll show you where it was. Wait a second. This might, if this bar finishes bearish, not bearish enough. But I took where is it? I took this lower high right here. This lower high right here. We were ranging. We're at these highs. Pushed lower. Nice lower high bear signal bar. I wrote it out. I got a little mini runner. So I entered 41.38. Got out at 35.75. So the runner was like 2.25 points. But yeah, the end of last week was awful, man. I was not myself. I'll say that. I was not myself, okay? So I know when I'm myself, I'm a menace. I'm a beast. But you can have just a couple days where you're off your game and it's not fun, but we're back. We're back. But then again, like even if this trade didn't work out, I would have been okay with it. You know what? Second entry short, clearly downward bias at the moment. Should be expecting a new low, 41. Thanks, Nutty Bar. How you doing? Nutty Bar? How's your live streaming going? I checked in on your live stream a little yesterday. You got those PAs now. But Nutty Bar, watching your stream, you got so much going on. so many freaking charts in there. It's been a struggle, really. I mean, are the PAs you just started them a few days ago, right? It's always a different mental battle when you start the PAs. Thanks, Squeeze. Appreciate it. I appreciate it, Mr. Squeeze. Hey, you'll do it, Nutty Bar. Just stay the course, no matter what. Follow those rules. Do what you know you need to do. Oh, you're on day 10? Okay. Why though, Aaron? I mean, it's all psychological. It's all psychological at the end of the day. Alright, so we're working down. This is what I wanted to hold a runner. But basically now we're exactly bouncing where I thought we would go to. New low this leg down. Now anything could happen. And we're bouncing there precisely. What's the book map saying? What's the book map saying right now? Yeah, like last week, I had a rough end of last week purely because I didn't follow my rules. Every trade I took that was a losing trade, I didn't follow my rules. And it comes back to bite you, because the whole point of being a day trader is trying to find an edge based on the system you have. The only way it works in the long run is if you stick to the system. If you try to bend the rules and then you have a losing trade, then you try to bend the rules again, let me make this money back, then you have a losing trade, then you try to bend the rules again quickly. I did that and blew 10 of my accounts. So now I'm strict, staying with my rules, and trade worked out this time, but we'll see if we get another one. Let's get another one. Come on. Just an interesting day. Like, it looks like a little hut we have. We just got this working down. We got this support. Like, nice little triangle we got. Look at that. Nice little hut. But I feel like we're going down, honestly. I think once we break below 38.50, once we break below the lows here, we'll be headed to the lows of the day, most likely. Man, well, I could have taken a payout last week. I was up 4K per account. I was up. Let me look exactly. So my peak balance, actually, like 3,500. So like 3,500 per account, and then had some bad days. So I could have taken out a lot of money, but I didn't take the payout. The day I was about to take the payout, literally the day when I was like, okay, you know what? I'm just gonna take 1,000 out per account. Let me take out 10,000. I went below the threshold to take a payout, so now we got to grow it back. And I gotta be a stellar trader right now for me to make back that money. Because I only got a few hundred to play with right now. So literally one losing trade could, or two losing trades could blow my account. So I'm yeah, I saw that, Evzen. So now there's only $500 minimum withdrawal, but I still have to be above that certain threshold. Thanks, Nutty Bar. Likewise. Good luck. We're in it. We're both in this journey together, my man. And you know what? I'm in it for the long term. If I blow these accounts, I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna be trading for years. So this is just the start of the journey. So yeah, now we're breaking below that level, 38, 37, and yeah. Makes sense that we're just skyrocketing down. Taking out those stops. I know, I wanted a nice lower high too. Lower high would have been perfect. But you could tell the bars were just almost touching the EMA and getting rejected. Almost touching the EMA, getting rejected. So once the bulls gave out, yeah, it slammed. Yeah, for sure, Khan. As long as you eventually do get those payouts. Was that a good time to break the rules? I mean, listen, that's a question for you to answer. I can't answer that, because at this point, you know what? I've gone through plenty of PAs, plenty of evals, and I've gotten to the point where, you know what, I don't want to say never, but like my goal is to never even, you know what, like I'm trying to be as strict as possible at this point for me, because I've been an insanely aggressive trader, but the fact that like you really don't have a lot of money to work with these PAs, and the fact that I'm using 2 contracts, I have to pick my trades very precisely. So yeah, I'm trying to never break my rules. Like Greg is saying. Because as soon as you do it once, you think it's okay to do it every single time. And then that's where you can get into some trouble. So honestly, this channel, I think this channel is going to definitely come into play. Yeah, except if you have a gambling account like Rev, then it's all fun and games. But maybe, hey, I mean, that's not a bad idea. If you want to be a gambler, just use a small portion. Make it a separate account. Make it a separate account so you don't really use that as your primary trading account. All right, but I think we're headed to the lows. That's my guess. The 41, right around 41.20. This looks like a textbook channel at this point. We haven't been proven at the bottom, but I've seen this exact sort of angle plenty of times. I think we're gonna bounce right at the bottom side. Probably come back, test the top side again. We might even keep going lower. Have a little overshoot, but we'll see. Exactly, Naughty Bar. Yeah, when you get rewarded for breaking your rules, it just gives you that validation when you really shouldn't even have done it in the first place, and then it just leads to more breaking those rules. Broke your rule trading. No trading the first 15 minutes. Yeah, it happens. But trust me, all the ups and downs I've had as a trader, when I look back at the losses, it's either from like moving the stop loss a little too much, trying to swing trade when I only am a scalper, and also just not following certain basic rules like ignoring congestion or trying to spot a reversal when there's not even any criteria that you should be looking or expecting a reversal. Okay, maybe the trend is like this, but like I said, like this, like we bounced perfectly, like I was just saying, perfectly there, because honestly, I don't know what it is, but with this angle, I mean, I don't know the exact freaking angle. It looked like a 45-degree angle, but it's like perfect channel, whether it's the algorithms at these institutions or whatever it may be. But I've seen this so many times where you guys saw, I literally just called this bounce right here. So I'm expecting to see a move to the top side of this channel. Bookmap is showing a lot of bears aiming for the 20s. Okay, we'll see. Yeah, the 20s, exactly, and that's what I said too. The lows of the day, whether it's Bookmap or just like common sense, we're going lower. Where should the target be? We already went from the highs of the day, from the lows. If we're going lower in with such a strong push, the expectation is that we're gonna go to the lows. But yeah, there's always opportunity to learn from any trade, any winning trade, any losing trade. Just use it as an opportunity to learn. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Khan. Trading doesn't have to be stressful. Trading does not have to be stressful. Just stick to your rules. Follow your rules. Know that you're following the course, and then just trust the process. Have a long-term mindset. Okay, I'm looking to get a lower high here. This was a sort of hidden second entry short because we went up, we had a slight break, a new high, hidden second entry short. If we get a lower high here, I'm gonna go short. But another perfect touch of this trend channel. So exactly what we were calling. We were calling the bounce bottom side, bounce the top side. It wasn't a perfect entry just because it didn't close below the EMA, but it was worth a short depending on how aggressive you are. All right, what I want to see here, I want to see a push up, another test at the EMA, short entry. Come on, let's get that. Let's get that. Maybe, Khan, when there was no funded companies, but maybe it helped. It helped. It probably helped the majority of traders too, because even if there's funded companies out there, the majority of traders aren't even going to make money. They're going to lose money. All right, we're not getting any chance at a short. No lower high. But if we come back, test the EMA, have a nice bearish bar, it'll be a second entry short. That's what I like to see. Will we get that though? Remains to be seen. Today's a good day for a runner. Today's a good day for a runner. Yeah, Albin, measured move down, but then again, we haven't. The bias is still down, so I'm looking to trap people picking a bottom, picking a reversal before we really have anything proven other than a measured move. Like, yes, we're bouncing here, but I'm still thinking short. So yeah, if this is one leg down, I mean, we've essentially made a measured move, but there could be another measure move in place. We never know. So let's see what happens with this bar. We might start going sideways right now though. Like, we might end up just having a range like that. We'll see, we'll see. You're thinking long, Alvin? Alright. Shit, man. I mean, it's possible. I mean, if we're proven to be going higher, I'll think long too. But I mean, yeah, we're bouncing right where we had a lot of support before, so we'll see. We'll see, man. We'll see, brother. So we could be getting a higher low here if you're thinking long. It's technically a second entry short though. New low, we went up. First entry short, up again, second entry short. And there we go. What trade did I take? I took this trade up here. Up here. Yeah, it is a second entry short right here. But we had this leg working up. We had that leg working up. So if we get a lower high here, that's what I want to take. But it looks like we're like squeezing prices together right now. We're trying to go up, we're trying to go down. Okay, so this is what I want to see. I want to see a lower high. It's actually a failed second entry long too. If you're counting from this high, which is the new high, we went down. We had a first entry long down again, second entry long failure. Also from this low, first entry short, second entry short. Fits perfectly on the downtrend. Honestly, I don't even like that wide downtrend anymore. Because to me, it's better just to focus on the short-term trends. But yeah, I guess like that. Yeah. I see it. Okay, here's another chance at a lower high. All right, we're in this short, lower high. If we're counting from this low, it's a first entry short, second entry short. The bars were just a little stacked, but we'll see. We'll see if we can keep pushing lower. Might get stopped out. We'll see. We'll wait it out. We'll wait it out. Can we push lower? Can we get rescued here? Unfortunately not. Fortunately not. It is what it is. Not mad about the trade. But I like to see... Usually I like to see a new test at a leg up like this before taking a trade like a short we just did. So we'll see, we'll see. Was just a bit sideways. I mean, we had a lot of support here. I was definitely thinking we were going to reach the lows of the day. Golden State all day. Golden State all day. That higher low at 28 was worrying you a bit. Now we are definitely in some danger of blowing these accounts. But we'll see. Looking a little sideways right now. So what I was calling before the range. First time in your life ruined for LeBron? Hell nah. Let's go Curry. We gotta root for Curry, man. Curry all day. Bad for the game. That's an interesting take. I've never heard that. Bad for the game in what way? Now you think it's going low a day. Yeah, we'll see. Allen Iverson. Allen Iverson was a beast. Practice? Why are you talking about practice, bruh? Talking about practice? His whiny attitude. I mean, every other player nowadays has a whiny attitude. LeBron has a whiny attitude. Curry doesn't complain that much. He's the flopping that Curry does. Yeah, that's true. I mean, yeah, but still, man, like, then you gotta just say the league as a whole is getting like that, not just Curry. Not trying. So, we'll be back tomorrow. Have a good one, everyone. Peace.